Hello guys, today we'll be doing a Project Layer tier list. As you know, there's the new update came out already with sound reading, snow reading, and ice BDA. So let's go. First we have sound reading. This, my opinion, is one of the best breathing styles right now. There is snow breathing. It's better than meh. Well, this Its PV, its skills are different and not that good in my opinion. And Ice BDA is one of the best BDA. There's a lot of stuns. Yes, that is a lot. And combo extenders. And then we have Swamp. It's better than Meh also. The Zuko's one is Meh right now. It's not that good. It's Meh. And now we have Reaper. Reaper better than Meh. Reaper is good. Yeah, it's still good right now. We have Dream. Dream has a lot of stun, so I'm gonna put a best BDA here. So then we have Akazas. Akazas is also a very good BDA. That's very good. Yeah, I'll put it there. Yabas one is here. Yes, it's here. You know why. And after that we have Samari. Samari is worse than that. Still okay. It's not that great. Shinobu's, it's in the my opinion is meh. It's not that good. Same like Nezuko. Lightning is in right now. It kind of got nerfed last time, so I'm gonna put it at the meh side right now. Yeah, it's same like Shinobu's. You Water breathing is also in there. Nosuke, I think is still a very good breathing style, so I'm gonna put here. Even Rengoku's one, flame breathing is there. This breathing is also in best breathing, and with breathing is better than meh. Let's see. So Nosuke's one or wind breathing is better. I'm not sure. So yeah, that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helps you. Send this to your friends. If they like it and helps them also. And yeah, bye guys.